YouTube. The first ever. Hold on, I got you. No. First ever. Ah! Go, 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 go. We did something. We as in you. I'm gonna freak out. Jeff, it's gonna be fine, bro. Trust me. I mean, like, only part of it's burnt down. It's not that big of a deal, man. Look. Bro, it's so simple. Look at that. No, stop. No, Jeff, it's working. It's getting rid of the lava, bro. Jeff, come on. You can't leave right now, bro. There's nothing wrong with the daycare at all. You can always fix it, dude. Everything's fixable. Come on. Man. Welcome to... Wait. Hold on. You guys thought I was going to say daycare. No. Because we got a slight problem. So, the daycare, it's still burnt down. If you guys didn't know, yesterday, we're playing Floor's Lava, and something happened. Sorry, ignore that. Anyway, something really bad happened, and pretty much the whole daycare got burnt down. So now we're left with nothing. Yeah. I don't really know what to do about that. I mean, like, we don't have the money to pay for a new daycare, but I mean, if you guys want to help pay for the daycare by simply subscribing and tapping the bell, leaving a like, that's gonna help us repair it, hopefully. And yeah, it ain't looking so good, man. Huh. Hello, Moose. Hi, Skylar. What's up, my love? We are not together, and I'm not your love. What is going on with the daycare? Where's Jeff at? Wait, yeah, where's Jeff? Hold on. Yes, we are. Jeff, buddy! Where you at? Jeff, stop crying about the daycare, bro. Jeff! He went on vacation, remember? What? On vacation? I thought you were just kidding around. It's Jeff, dude. Jeff's always kidding around. Yeah. Why is he on vacation? For what? For the daycare? So when's he gonna be back? Oh my god, this dude. He took the last of my money. Wait, again? Oh my god. You gotta go do some more like music stuff. You gotta make that young mullah cash money, bro. Young mullah. Again. Alright. So then what is he gonna come back? To Hawaii. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, Hawaii's pretty awesome, but yeah, okay. But what are we doing about the daycare? It's on fire. So it might be a bit. It might be a bit. Okay. Oh yeah, that. If there's no daycare, then there's no daycare. And if there's no Jeff, there ain't no teacher. And if there's no teacher, there ain't no daycare. And if there's no MooseCraft, there's definitely no daycare. Bungo, subscribe. All right, so what do? Well, at least it's just us. Nope. Nope. Yeah! I don't like her. Hey, yo! Oh, no. I heard a Musina voice. I heard, oh! What? Oh, snap. What happened here? Oh, no. I am hiding away. I am not getting involved. I am not. Oh, no. Oh, snap. Get away, beast. Oh, no, it's you. Oh, wow. That is not good. Oh, they're having another WWE wrestling tournament over here. Oh, it's not good. Yo, throwback. Here's a little bit of a flashback to the wrestle tournament last time. Ah! She just yelled a bird sound. What? I'm not sure what's going on here, but I'm just gonna watch from the top view. Get away from my man. I'm not even there. Who are they talking to? He ain't your man. What? He's my man. Oh. Okay. Really? Should I stop this? I feel like I should be the bigger man and stop this. I'm usually the bigger man with things, but. Oh, really? Yeah. Moose? I'm not here. Moose is not here right now. Please leave a message after the beep. Beep! I made it first. Don't you love me more? Moose is not here right now. Leave a message after the beep. Beep! I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, and he loves me more. Oh, yeah, this is not. He loves me most. I don't know what's going on. Welcome to the daycare. Lie! I feel like, you know what? When this gets more intense, I'll stop it. I'll stop the fight. How about that? I'm his favorite. I don't know about that. I don't like any of them. They're both crazy. They just always fight over me and stuff. I don't even know what they're talking about. I'm not interested. I'm not dating any of them, first of all. And I don't want any part of that, dude. I'm not about that. I'm too focused on the work, dude. Too focused on hustling and making a difference, dude. You're crazy, too. Wait. Hey. Ha. That's cute. Oh, God. Here we go. Hey! Hey. It's MooseCraft. Hi. Ow! Oh, stop. It was a prank. Ow, chill. Oh, my God. Wow. Babe, tell her. Tell her what? First of all, I'm not dating any of you guys. I mean, gals, whatever you want to call each other. Babe, tell her that you love me. Lies. I'm not dating any of you. I'm not even interested. No, you guys are crazy. Stop lying to yourself. It's just you love me. You don't even know what that means. Do you even what? No. Here, take a flower. It's gonna calm me down. There you go. See that monster? MooseCraft. I love Moosina with all my heart. She's #1. Over that. Oh wow, thanks, Moose. First of all, I did not say that. You know what? Why do you guys always fight over me? Listen, I'm not interested. All right, it's just simple, flat no. I'm not interested in any of you. I'm not dating. All right, and I don't got a girlfriend either, so I don't want any part of this. All right. Why don't you guys just become friends or something? You have like pretty much similar interests. Like you both go crazy about things. You both obsessed about, I guess, me and stuff. You both like moose milk. You guys both do crazy stuff, so you'd be like the perfect best friends. You know, that's what best friends are for. They share similar personalities and help each other out and help each other move forward. Boom, knowledge, dropping it everywhere. Right here, I don't become friends with that person trying to steal my man. Yeah, go back home. I feel like everything I say, people just disregard it, and it just goes like one ear out the other. But hey, that's 97% of people that talk to you. Hey, all right, it's about who really pays attention. Okay, all right. In the trash where you belong. What are you? Oh, God. In the trash where you belong. Wow. Roasted! She roasted you, I hope you realize. Right? She's not roasting me. I'm #1. So it's okay. All right, ladies. Let's figure this problem and solution to it a different way. How about this? How about you two share one personality together? So, what is one of your hobbies? Skylar, what's your hobby? Starting with you. What is your #1 hobby? Being rich. Moosina, what's your #1 hobby? Dating Moose. I'm not dating you, and I'm not interested. No, it's mine. And this is how we start a fight right there, by making mistakes. All right. It was just a prank. No, yours is money. Ha! These dudes. They can only be one. Whoa. No swords. Come on, ladies. Come on. Relax. You guys are, I'm telling you right now, you two are the perfect. Ow! Hey, don't hit me with a bow. Let me at her. Hold me back. I'm not holding you back, all right? Hey, stay back. Do not cross the moose turf, or I'm never talking to you guys ever again. You got that? All right? Simple as that. You want to disappoint me? What? That's right. You want to disappoint me? Then cross the turf. That's what I thought. Don't cross it. All right. We're going to solve this like real people, okay? Like real mooses, all right? Real men. I mean, you guys are women, but ladies, okay. Anyways, real men. I don't understand what's going on anymore. All right, so anyways, let's figure this out. Number one. You both get a flower. All right, how about that? You both get a flower. Enjoy. You happy with that? There you go. Don't want it. It smells like you. This is really weird and really awkward. All right. Anyways, so what is your #1 favorite thing to do? Part of your day. I love going to the gym. I also love recording videos. Yeah, and talking to fans. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And Bad Wars. I love Bad Wars too. And I love driving cars. I like a lot of things. I'm sorry. I also love eating and playing with my puppy Lucy. She's really awesome. Strike Moose. What? What? Huh? What? Huh? I also like reading and learning stuff and talking to people. I love you. What? Huh? What? Skylar, what is your one favorite thing part of your day? Ow! What was that, Moose? What was that noise? I don't know what you're talking about. Wait, what? Moosina, what is your #1 favorite thing to do part of your day? Can you start us off? Just think of anything you want. Anything. I feel like she's just looking at me like, I don't know what's going on. She's just so beautiful. I don't think she understands what's going on at all. Be careful with that answer. No. Hey. What is your #1 favorite thing you like to do part of your day? It's a common sense. I told you. You did it. Dating Moose. That's what Skylar said, you nub. Grrr. Oh my. No, I said that first. Okay. All right. Plan B. What's your favorite food? Huh? Moose? What? If your favorite food is moose, I'm not talking to you anymore. Just saying. What is it? What's your favorite food then? Huh? Come on. Stop with the boat. Crabs. Oh. I like sushi. That's pretty cool. It's fancy. Yeah, it's pretty fancy. How about you? Musina? I'm fancy. Can we just share one personality? Gosh, you guys are so hard to talk to. Just have like one common interest. It's so simple. They're both from the sea. Ah, my God. You're just trying to find different ways to pick me up, aren't you? It's like pickup lines. All right. Plan B. What's your favorite color? You look like Carly. What is your favorite color? Huh? Simple question. Orange. What's your favorite color, Musina? Whatever Moose is. Mine is orange. Boom. You like orange. You like orange. Your favorite fruits are orange. Boom. Now you guys are best friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. I'm out of here. That's how you gotta handle problems right there. You just gotta handle it like that. Alright, so. Did we have it solved? Huh? Huh, ladies? Come on. You guys can be best friends. Come on. Fine. Hey, Musina, stop it. Stop it. No. No, Musina. Sit. Hug it out. I ain't no best friends with a man who's trying to steal my man. This dude. This dude. Hug it out. Hug it out. Hug it. Hey. Musina, stop. Musina, hug it out. Be the bigger girl. Come on. Be the bigger person. Stop doing the dancing. Hug it out. That's all you guys. All you ladies gotta do. There you go. Hug it out. Come on. Hug it out, and we can all be friends. It's legit. The simplest thing ever. Just pay attention, please. Hug it out. Done. No, you didn't hug. Oh my God, it's like talking to two animals. Two foul beasts. Hug it out. There you go. Simple hug. Now you guys are best friends, and now we don't have a problem. Okay. Oh, by the way, I need a date for this upcoming dance, so I can only choose one person, by the way. So, what, me? I'm gonna choose my... Hey, stop fighting. Stop with the girl fight. Come on, relax. I'm gonna choose my moose milk, because I like moose milk a lot, so, let's go, honey. No. I'm gonna... Hey, stop. It's not even this week. It's next week. No. I'm choosing my moose milk, so don't get offended, all right? We're preparing now. No. Skylar and Musina, I'm not interested. I'm not taking you guys to the dance. I'm taking my moose milk. Feel like this is gonna get into a really bad fight, and I'm gonna slowly get out of here. Yeah, I'm gonna just walk away. Waka. I feed millions for you. No, you haven't. Hey, stop. What's wrong? Can we not do this here? You know what? I pay nothing, so I better. You guys gotta stop fighting things out. What is it, Skylar? What is it? Huh? What's wrong? We don't need you. Ow. Okay, thank you. Yeah, you don't need me. I'll be on my way. Awesome. I'm free. I'm so happy now. Yes! I'm free. No, I regret my decision. You're not free. No, come back. Oh, my God. I'll see you out tomorrow with a brand new video. She can fly 100 miles per hour. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and slap the bell up. And they're trying to kidnap me again. Okay, I'm scared. Bye!